Hello, my name is Jim Metcalfe and I'm the Director of Immigration at Pace Law Firm. People have been asking me what happened to all the immigration programs that have been in effect since the coming into force of the Immigration Act 10 years ago. Well, unfortunately, the government was asleep at the switch. Backlogs were rising faster than cases could be processed. Economic conditions were changing, and the immigration selection criteria were just not responding to Canadian economic needs. I think you can trace it back to about 2004 when the government of the day decided to expand the number of persons who could apply for permanent residence by cutting the pass mark for skilled workers from 75 to 67. It basically opened the door for anybody who could speak English, had a university degree, and 4 years experience to apply. And as a result, backlogs grew and grew and grew until the government finally woke up and realized that they had more cases they could possibly deal with. Fortunately, the government of the day took what I would consider to be extreme action and cut off those applications. Now we're waiting for the government to come out with new programs or new selection criteria for skilled workers. I expect to see that there will be a greater emphasis on certifications of persons' qualifications. For example, what's the point in having a doctor come to Canada if he has no chance of actually practicing medicine? Similarly, engineers require certification if they're in jobs where that is required. If they don't have the necessary educational levels, they will never be able to work in their professions. The urban myth that there are many taxi drivers in Toronto who have PhDs is probably quite true, because they cannot get jobs in Canada. That's a product of the excesses of the immigration system from 2004 to about 2010. I expect you'll see that skilled workers, plumbers, pipe fitters, electricians, and other skilled trades will be given more preference under the new system, probably lower English language requirements, and more points for apprentice-type training. All this is going to go to change the makeup of the movement from Canada. As soon as we have any information on proposals, and we watch this very, very carefully, we'll post that information on our website. So please stay tuned. Let's see how the changes go and what developments there will be in the future. If you have any specific questions, please feel free to contact me at immigration@pacelawfirm.com. Thank you very much.